Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Picked up a new toy earlier this week. It's a 2004 Honda CRF50. It's got a full FMF exhaust. I think it's Power Core 4. It's got bigger handlebars on them. I'm assuming these are Pro Taper, but I could be wrong. It's got a Pro Taper triple clamp that's fully adjustable for like adult riders, which is cool. It's got aftermarket foot pegs, which are F4s or something. I've never heard of them. I think that's a stock size seat. It might be a taller seat. Obviously, it's got the graphics kit on it. I do have the front fender for it right here. This came with, it's got a crack in it, but I'll still use it. And then it's got some kind of aftermarket front suspension, but it's not put on right. If you look at it, I bought it from a younger kid. This is backwards. This should be flipped around, so that's facing that way. And they feel really stiff. They won't even compress, so I don't know if that's because that's backwards or what. So I'll probably tear that apart and try to see if that helps the front end. Put the front fender on. I have the other fork seal guard, which I'll put right there. It runs, it just will not idle. I don't know, probably have to go through that carburetor. It's got a uni air filter on it too. It looks brand new, which is nice. Yeah, if you can see, that looks like that drain's leaking a little bit. It's got an extended shifter on it. Actually more comfortable on this thing than the TTR90. You have way more room. You can actually ride this one around. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, I haven't started this since I bought it. It started pretty easy. I assume he probably started it before I got there, but it won't idle. It'll run, but it won't idle. This chain's also extremely loose and really needs some lube. Let's go ahead and turn the fuel on to choke up. Try no choke. So it runs, it just won't idle. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clear off this workbench. I've just been working on this ATC 70, getting it all stripped down. I have a big update coming for that. It's getting a 140 Piranha, getting a full exhaust, basically a complete overhaul, new wheels and tires, new exhaust. It's gonna be electric start. That'll be in another video though. So let me go ahead and clear off my workbench and we'll get this up here and fix these front forks. And then I'm gonna check the oil, and if it looks dirty, we'll change it. And we'll probably clean the carburetor too. All right, change of plans. We're just gonna I just put it up on a block of wood. It'll be easier. There's too much stuff on there and I don't want to lose any pieces. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take this front axle out of that and switch this shock around. There we go. Might have to set a piece of wood or something under there. It's not going to stay. Let me grab a block. All right, that should be more steady. So let's take this front wheel off, see what size it is. I think it's an 18, but I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's an 18 millimeter, or a 19, excuse me. Go ahead and loosen that. I might have to take this cover off. Looks like I do. Let me get an Allen wrench and take this fork cover off. All right, so we're gonna take this fork guard off. It's pretty cool. This bike's already got all this stuff done to it. I've never seen a Pro Taper clamp like that. If you have leave a comment down below. I want to build this bike though. I want to put a big bore 88 kit in it from T-Bolt USA, but we'll see. All right, go ahead and take this front wheel off. There's a spacer, I don't want to lose that. Let's see if there's brake pads in here. There is. Okay. See if we can twist this, because I think it's supposed to, well, maybe these aren't the right forks for it. Or they're backwards. So I think it's supposed to go like that. But this one isn't drilled and tapped for a fork guard. Let's see here. I should have asked him what happened to the regular forks, because these are not factory. So I think it's supposed to go like this. Yeah, that's right. And I'm missing the little pull for this, of course. Oh no, I'm not. It's right there. Cool. He just didn't have them installed right for whatever reason. All right, we'll go ahead and put this front wheel back together. All right, so that went together pretty simple. I mean, there's not much to these bikes. Just must have been in a hurry to put this front end together or something, I don't know. So we'll just loosely tighten that for now. Took up this front brake thing, see if we have front brakes. So at least he kept all the hardware together, which is pretty cool. Sorry about the rain noise. I tried to wait to see if the rain would stop, and it's not. Unfortunately, it's almost springtime, so rains a lot during this time. Okay, go ahead and put this on there. This should be a fun little ripper. I rode it around when I bought it. It's really boggy on the low end, but once you get into it, it pulls pretty good. I mean, it's, oh, I didn't even notice that head cover. So I'm just adjusting this front brake. Nice. I'm not trying to be mean to the dude I bought it from, but come on, dude. It's not that hard to put these on there. I don't know if these are bigger than stock. I should have asked him. This triple clamp was probably really nice. It's faded now. This looks like this is like it's a 2004. Looks like it was probably built in 2005. Doesn't look too beat up though. It doesn't look like it has a ton of hours on it. Let me go ahead and tighten up this front wheel. I really need to go get my bike stands out of storage. This thing's wanting to tip over on me. Tight enough for me. Cool. That was an easy fix. Nice. All right, let's put the fender on here. I need to get a skid plate for this thing. It really does not like being on this. So luckily, it's like he just put the hardware back in this. They're tight too. Let me get a wrench. Just a 10 mil. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. What do you guys think? Big bore swap it, keep it stock. It's already got some expensive parts on it. Let's see. So this is stock. Yeah, they're the same length. Okay, well that answers that question. All right, where did I set that fender? It's got a crack in it, but it'll be fine for now. So I'm just starting these by hand so I don't cross thread them in there, and then I'll use the little wrench to put them in all the way. I think it already looks better. I have the front number plate too. Where'd it go? And I think I should have put it in here first. I should have. Let's go ahead and take that bolt out and put this in there. Well, there we go. That looks a lot better already. Got front brakes. Yeah, I don't have the hardware for this one. I probably should put it back on there. See if I have a bolt for that. So I did find some bolts that would work for this, but the holes are off. This is hitting this mount right here for this brake, so I guess we're gonna run without the fork guards, which is fine. But I don't know. Seems like it'll be a fun little project. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with it. Let's go ahead and check the oil, see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that needs changed. So we'll need to change the oil. Pull the carburetor out. Nice, got a zip tie holding the fuel line on. That works. Works for me. Take that off, take the air filter off, clean that, but I think for today this is where I'm going to end it. There'll be future videos of this. I need to change the oil for sure. Need to warm it up to do that. Probably need to clean the carburetor first. So, alright, thanks for watching.